Virtual gold has no total supply. Upon every purchase, the corresponding amount of the virtual gold gets created and is given to the holder. The Ethereum that is spent in buying gets sent to the virtual gold smart contract, and this Ethereum is used to back the price of the virtual gold. Therefore, for every gram of the virtual gold you own, there is always its equivalent value in Ethereum backing in its price in the smart contract. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video we are going to talk about virtual gold, and the best part about this token that this token is backed by Ethereum. So definitely the price will increase in near future. So if you want to know something more about this token, stay tuned with us. And secondly, the main sale is ongoing right now, so you can easily buy the token, and on 7th of February it will be live.
Feel uninvited.
The virtual gold uses an innovative tokenless model with dynamic supply technology. This means that unlike a standard token, virtual gold has no fixed total supply. The total amount of the virtual gold in existence gets automatically updated as people buy and sell, so as to prevent the price from falling. In addition, every gram of the virtual gold is backed by the Ethereum. Upon every purchase, the Ethereum gets sent to the decentralized smart contract in order to maintain the price per gram of the virtual gold. Therefore, even if everyone sells, the price doesn't fall, and 7th February is the launch and initial investors are rewarded the most. So this is something you don't want to miss out. It's gonna be huge. And simply on the main website you can purchase the token right now. And the main vision behind the virtual gold is to make a system by which there is steady growth and in value based upon the demand, but at the same to provide some sort of risk management so that the investor cannot lose beyond a certain amount of money even if the demand drops completely. Virtual gold has no owner. Your funds are never controlled by anyone. Virtual gold uses smart contract technology to ensure the maximum security and decentralized ownership. Additionally, the smart contract code has been verified and made publicly viewable. Therefore, all the code is viewable directly from the blockchain on Etherscan. This means that everyone would be free to audit the code whenever they like. Therefore, any form of scam or malpractice is impossible. Now, with the help of simple example, I will let you know about the price dump resistant. Even if everyone sells, the price doesn't fall due to dynamic total supply technology. When a holder converts of virtual gold back into Ethereum, their virtual gold gets destroyed. This therefore proportionally reduces the total grams of the virtual gold in existence and thus maintains the price per gram ratio within the smart contract. For example, you own the virtual gold with $100 and you have 2 grams, or you can say the 2 tokens. Even if everyone sells their holdings, $200 will still be left within the contract exclusively for you. This value can never go down as people sell, but it would increase as more and more people buy. So the main question that how you can buy virtual gold token right now after the countdown, and the countdown will be end on 7th of February 2021. After the countdown is over, users would be able to buy the virtual gold. Users can buy the virtual gold through this site. I will share the link in the description, or directly via the smart contract. In order to buy, users would need to have a Web3 wallet, preferably MetaMask, set up with some Ethereum in it, and you can simply buy the virtual gold token right now, the first token in the history of the crypto which is backed by Ethereum and some real gold. Very soon the team is planning to list their token on number of exchanges, and some big names are there in their list. So it's your time to grab the opportunity and buy this token right now. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. 7th February is coming very soon.